You guys want to go on a adventure? I took you here before at nighttime at Moonville Tunnel. Figured we'll come here during the day. Check it out. You guys ready? And go. This tunnel's haunted. It used to be a town called Moonville. Way down there somewhere. People died from smallpox. Train used to come through here. A brakeman died in here. This place is haunted. You can Google it. Moonville Tunnel. Moonville, Ohio. Let's see if anybody's home. Guys want to see? Anybody here? I know it's daytime. What's this say, guys? This is just a quick little video. Check it out during the day. If you guys see anything or hear anything, let me know in the comments. Anybody here? I know you supposedly died in here. Can you make a sound or something? I got this device here I can see you with. I can hear you with it. I know other people have been here. I know you don't like people coming here and bugging you. I'm not trying to bug you. Just want to communicate. Check out this drawing, guys. Used to be an old train tunnel here. Here's a picture of a train. If you guys see anything, let me know. Quick little video. You in here? Brakeman? Throw a rock or make a noise. Anything. Guess you don't want to communicate today. Oh, guys want to teleport out of here? Oh look, somebody's trying to make a fire in here. Check that out. No, that's not me. I ain't doing that. Somebody got a couple logs right there. You guys ready to teleport? Ready, set, teleport.